How to verify your email address on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can verify our email address on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to do something from the App Store, but it keeps asking you to verify your email address. When it says you to verify your email address, all you have to do is just verify your email address. So in order to do this, go ahead and then open the settings application here, and once you launch settings, tap your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen, and once you tap on the Apple ID profile, over there you'll find this option right here known as sign in and security. Now if you get a pop-up right on this page that says you to verify your email address, you can go ahead and verify that right away. Otherwise, you can tap on sign in and security, where you'll find the email option to go ahead and then verify your email address. It will send a code to your email, so make sure that the one which you are using on your Apple ID, make sure that that is the correct email where you're trying to receive the code. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.